Now, let me tell you this. Igbo is one of the easiest languages you can learn. How? It is contextual, it is pronounced as spelled. So you just need time and practice. And there you go. Igbo Igbo mma ekene m na-asị unu na Igbo Online College. Hello there, I welcome you back to Igbo Online College. If you're a new subscriber, I welcome you in a very special way. Thank you for joining us. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around and learning Igbo with me. On this channel, I bring you lessons on the Igbo language, literature, and culture. I promise you're going to enjoy the lessons. My name is Edith. So on today's lesson, we're talking about how to indicate plurals in Igbo. Yes, how do you say a word in the plural form? How do you make somebody understand that you mean plural when you talk Igbo? That is what we are learning today. Now, let me tell you this. Igbo is one of the easiest languages you can learn. How? It is contextual, it is pronounced as spelled. So you just need time and practice. And there you go. So let's quickly delve into today's lesson. Indicating plurals. How do we indicate plural? We have several ways we indicate plural in Igbo. Number one, context. The context of a sentence or a word can indicate that that word is plural. Example, ụlọ ezughị ndị mmadụ n'Africa. Ụlọ ezughị ndị mmadụ n'Africa. Houses are not enough for people in Africa. You know, when you say ụlọ ezughị ndị mmadụ, houses are not enough for people. Ndị mmadụ indicates that the people are many, and it cannot be one house. It should be many houses. Okay. Another way you can indicate plural is by using the verb. The verb after the word, the noun, can tell you whether the word coming before the verb is plural or not. For example, if you say, mmadụ juru ebe ahụ, that place is filled up with people. Mmadụ juru ebe ahụ, that place is filled up with people. Juru means filled up. Means one person cannot fill up a place, so it has to be plural. The mmadụ on its own is singular, but when you now add the verb juru, which is filled up, then it indicates that the mmadụ is not just one person, but many people. Mmadụ juru ebe ahụ. That place is filled up with people. Now, let me say this. When you say mmadụ nọ ebe ahụ, you see the difference. Mmadụ juru ebe ahụ as against mmadụ nọ ebe ahụ. When you say mmadụ nọ ebe ahụ, somebody is there, someone is there, indicating it's one person. Someone is there. Mmadụ nọ. Mmadụ juru. You get the difference. So the verb can indicate whether a word is plural or not. The third way you can indicate plural in Igbo is by the use of ụmụ. Ụmụ. Ụmụ is used to indicate plural. Example, ụmụ nwanyị women. Ụmụ nwoke, men. Ụmụaka, children. Ụmụ mmadụ, people. Ụmụ ọlụ, apprentices. So when you add ụmụ to a noun, it makes it plural. So when you see where Igbo is written and you see that is prefixed rather to a noun, then that word is a plural noun. Another way you can indicate plural in Igbo is by the use of nde. Nde. Nde means people, onye means person. So nde. By the way, let me tell you that on its own means children. By itself means children, but when it is prefixed to a word, it pluralizes that word. It gives that word a plural sense. Okay, let's go ahead with nde. Nde means people as against onye, the singular person. So when you prefix nde to a word, to a noun, it makes it plural. Example: ndị mmadụ, people. Ndị mmadụ, people. Ndị Nigeria, Nigerians. Ndị America, Americans. Ndị Ukraine, Ukrainians. Ndị South Africa, South Africans. Ndị ọcha, white people. Ndị isi ojii, black people. Ndị uwe ojii, policemen. Ndị nkuzi, teachers. So when you add nde to a noun, it makes that word plural. Is that clear enough? Of course, yes. So try out, get nouns and try to add nde and and see what you get. And of course, I would like you to be more observant. Anytime you see Igbo written down, try to see if you can see the plural forms of the words written down. All right? Okay. Let's go ahead to other ways of indicating plural in Igbo. Another way of indicating plural in Igbo is by duplicating a word. When you duplicate a word, it gives the plural sense to the word. Example: when you say mmadụ mmadụ, ebe niile bụ sọ mmadụ mmadụ, everywhere is human beings, everywhere is people. That is the literal translation, but it means everywhere is filled up with humans, people. Ebe niile bụ mmiri mmiri, everywhere is only water. Everywhere is water, literally, but it means everywhere is filled up with water. Hey, efela bụ mmanụ, it means that the plate is, oil is all over the plate. Efela bụ mmanụ, this plate has much oil on it. That's what it means. So when you duplicate a noun, it gives the plural sense of that word. Ụnọ. Ebe ahụ bụ sọ ụnọ. It means that place is filled with houses. Only houses. Now, there is another type of nouns we call royal plurals. Actually, they appear to be plurals, but they are to represent singular. Example, you say nna anyị. Literally, it means our father, but the actual meaning here is sir. Nna anyị, sir. Nna anyị ukwu could also mean sir. It's either you say nna anyị or you say nna anyị ukwu. Nwoke anyị, my man. Nwoke anyị, my man. Nwoke anyị, it means our man, literally, but here it is used to mean my man. Now, it boils down again to what I said initially, that Igbo is contextual. Now, you can say nna to mean our father, depending on the context. And you can say nna to mean sir. If you are in an official setting, you say nna, it means sir. You say nna, it means sir. But if you are in an informal setting and you're telling somebody about you people's father, it means our father. Nwoke anyị, that is an informal way of addressing maybe your peer, somebody you know, you roll with. My man. Nwoke anyị bi ebe a, my man, come here. I hope that is clear enough. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to write it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I urge you to please subscribe if you've not done so. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and leave us a comment down below. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Que